we've looked at our priorities, our disposable income. We looked at, where we were financially. Now let's start setting some goals, right? SMART goal is specific, it's measurable, it's attainable, relevant, time bound. So let's break those down. Being specific, like giving as much detail as possible. So you can say, I want to go on vacation, right? Where do you want to go? When do you want to go? How much do you need? Once you know where you want to go, then you can start looking at, okay, this is the area. This is, a car. This is what it's going to cost. If I need to fly, this is what the flight is. Get all that together. Once you put a time on it, then you'll know, okay, I need to go by this time here. How much do I need to stack away every week or every 2 weeks until I reach that goal? This is so freeing, y'all, to know that you can do what you want to do as long as you plan for it. You can set your goal, and for if it's getting out of debt, write all them debts down. You can write them down, smallest to biggest. We'll talk about that in credit a little more, but just so you know, just in perspective to what our financial lives look like, write them down. I want to be out of debt by this date, and write down all that you have and what you need to stack away or pay, how much extra you need to pay to get out of that debt. So it's friends. So
SMART goals: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. That's what makes a goal. I tell people all the time, write it down.
Yes.
I mean, it's no good in your head. It could disappear. It could go anywhere. It goes to the back of the mind. But if you write it down and it's something that you look at, then that'll help keep you on task as well. And being specific. Yeah, being specific. I want this in this time. This is what it's going to take. Be detailed. Don't just say, I want to go on vacation. Measurable. Can you actually measure it? Right? What does it say? If you don't measure your goal, you won't know whether you've achieved it. It's that it's attainable. That is something possible, even possible. Relevant. Is the goal even worthwhile? Is it a worthy goal to have? Will it help you meet your financial goals? Time bound. It's got to have a definite date, or at least, a general date. I mean, like the month of May.
Right.
You got to set some kind of date that it can't just go on and on forever, because it will be lost and you won't achieve it and you'll be on to the next. So if you want to take a vacation and you want to go to Tahiti, one of the things I've seen techniques used is, hey, get a picture of Tahiti.
Yeah.
From the internet or from a magazine of Tahiti, not just any island, but of Tahiti.
Yes.
And you post that somewhere where you're going to see it, in your bedroom, in the bathroom, on the refrigerator, in your office, wherever it is. And that'll help remind you of your goal. And it'll keep you inspired to do what is necessary to accomplish that goal. If you don't have a goal, that's a clear, specific goal. It's measurable, it's attainable, it makes sense, it's relevant, and it has a definite due date. That really helps people to stay focused and stay on task with their money, financial, banking priorities.
As of 2019, I don't know what the more recent it would be, because I'm sure it's different now. The number is just more skewed now. But in 2019 study from Price Waterhouse, 50% of Americans had less than $400 in a savings account.
And that was pre-pandemic.
Think about, really, if you break down $400, if you made $400 a goal, that is $8 a week. $8 That's the $1.25 store.
Right. Stop going there. You got your $400.
That is a paparazzi jewelry.
Right.
3 little snacks from the dollar store. Like that
Hmm.
is $8 a week could get you for. So say your tire blowout.
Hmm.
And you're not going to the cash advance. You're not going, robbing Peter to pay Paul. You literally say you're prepared for those kind of things. So having an emergency fund is a good goal.